Treatments are the most effective way to protect citrus trees against the pest, thereby also protecting trees from Huanglongbing. The California Department of Food and Agriculture may treat trees in your area if Asian citrus psyllids have been found nearby, Huanglongbing has been found nearby, or citrus farmers are treating their trees near your area. When treatments are needed, residents receive an invitation to attend a public meeting to learn more about the issue. The public meeting is an informational, open house where residents can get questions answered one-on-one with experts. Another notice is posted letting residents know when their property will be visited by a treatment crew. No action is necessary to grant your permission for treatment, so your trees can easily be protected at no cost or inconvenience to you. Homeowners do not need to be present for treatment, but the crews are happy to schedule a good time to come by if homeowners have a special request. Highly trained specialists carefully follow label instructions and take important precautions when applying Asian citrus psyllid treatments. The California Department of Food and Agriculture crews take care to apply treatment safely and only to citrus trees, not any other plants on the property. There are two methods of protecting a tree against the Asian citrus psyllid. A foliar application to citrus tree leaves provides instant protection against adult psyllids. A soil application provides long-term protection, so future Asian citrus psyllids who feed on the tree are stopped in their tracks. Another notice is left with the resident after the treatment has taken place. These treatments are important to protect your tree, your neighbor's trees, and the community's citrus. Residents in treatment areas are invited to call the free statewide hotline, 800-491-1899, or attend the public meeting in their area if they have questions.